Photo view includes the feature flux and power in function of the current, as you can see here, through which it is possible to save at the single OXL file the different sets of flux and power values in function of the driving currents. This is a feature coming from the standard IEC, International Electrotechnical Committee 62722-2-1. This file, the OXL file including the flux and power in function of the current's values, it is very useful whenever we have to produce automatically different LDT and IS files with different sets of flux and power values in function of the driving currents. This is possible through the feature file Batcher plus LDT and IS creation from OXL with currents. Once we select the feature, this window will appear, and through options we can configure the production of the files. The first is the definition of the source directory. We open it and we select where the OXL file with flux and power in function of the current values are available. In this case, we have the input folder. It is not necessary to define only input as the name of the folder, but it can be any one. Once we have linked the folder, we confirm, it will appear here. Second step, the definition of the destination directory. Again, output, it can be any name. We link and we confirm. At the lower part of the window, we can define the values of the current, of flux and power in order to produce the files. We have two different options. The first one is automatic steps. It means that the only parameter to define in this case, it is the delta. It is the step in between the different files. In case the starting point, the lower value of the flux and power in function of the driving currents is, for example, 0.268, the first file produced will be 0.268, and the second one will be 0.268 plus 250 milliamps. In case of manual steps, we define the lower value, we define the end value, and we define the delta. In this case, the production will be with a value of current rounded. It means 300, and the next one will be 550 milliamps, and the second one will be 800. So only two files will be produced in this case. Same it is for the flux values, same it is for the power values. So let's ask the program to produce the values in function, the files in function of the driving currents. Once we confirm, we come back to the window where we can select Run Batch, and from here, the program will start to produce automatically the files. The first number is the total number of files produced, and the second one is the total number of files to produce. Once we have finished through this feature, we can access straight away to the output folder where we have the files produced. As you can see, the starting point was 300 milliamps, and the second one is 550 milliamps. These are the values of flux, and these are the values of the power. As you can see, we gave us this organization of the name of the file in order to be easily readable.